Well, how are you now? That's Travis. I'm Kevin. And this is H&H Prospecting. Today we went up to some waterfalls. About a half an hour drive or so from home. About a 2-mile walk in. We are on our way out now. So I guess kind of doing this a little bit backwards today. So we did find, both found a couple little pickers today. But, just doing some crevicing. I think this video gonna be more about the scenery today of the amazing Oregon trails and waterfalls. So yeah, appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in, check us out. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share us, and enjoy the day's video and my wannabe photography at the end of it. Alright, so we made it down to the falls. And come down here and do a little bit of crevicing today. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over all of this rushing water. Kind of want to show you guys around a little bit where we're working and what we're working with today. You can see all this exposed bedrock up here on the beach, that basalt bedrock. But if you look, and only in this one spot right here, it's got all this oxidation in that iron, changing that colors in it. And that's always good signs to work where gold could come up, actually. You see a lot of big cracks running through it. See all the cobbles and stuff stuck in the cracks. This is where I'm going to get in to start cleaning here soon. You can see that there's sand, your cobbles and your bedrocks all deposited right along here. A lot of super turbulent water. Show you guys a waterfall here and see if we can go find where Travis is digging around. Pretty popular spot. Oh, it's amazing, ain't it? There's Trav. What's up, buddy? Looking good? Yeah. Just littered. There's a nice big trap right here too. See all the black sands, cobbles underneath here, big rocks too. And that's a beautiful trap. Well, hopefully we'll find some nice trophies today. We'll for them nuggets. Yeah. Pretty easy walk in. About 2 miles though at a leisurely pace. So I mean it took us about 45 minutes to get up here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put this down, see if I can't find some of that shiny. Alright, so I just finished picking out that little crevice down there. It goes pretty deep. Now I'm looking at it again. I'm not sure if I got all the way to the bottom of it. Kind of just followed it down into there. But as I started panning, I thought I saw some color already showing that looked really nice. So I thought I'd put the pan down, come grab the camera, and kind of pan it and show what I see. Alright, I ain't got the skills to do that, obviously, so I'm going to pause this, and then when I see that color come back up, I'll see if I can catch it on camera. Alright, so there's my piece after my first pan for the day. I like that. That's gorgeous. It is chunky. But Travis is yelling at me, telling me he's got a picker to crack, so let's go see if we can find him. Oh, man. So normally, guys, too, this is all underwater, so we're lucky to be able to get into this. I mean, Travis is actually in the water, apparently. Crap. You're in there, bud.
Oh, yeah. No, you just tap that. I'll come to you. about as simple as I can get.
I think mine's bigger, bud. Wow.
My first one for the day.
Yeah, that's the first crack of the day, too. I think you found a good spot. Good call, Travis. Oh, man, that is powerful, bud. Woo!
Don't go away.
No, you die. We on it today. Just a little view of our scenery for you. And let us know what it's all about to you. I mean, going out trophy hunting, trying to find nuggets is awesome. We're super happy neither one of us got skunked today. But just getting out and seeing what's around, discovering scenery like this, only being a half an hour from home. It was a 2-mile walk in, but it was a simple, easy trail. Even with my half broken foot, I still made it in without a problem. Well, we really couldn't have asked for a better spot or a better day to come out and do this. Got a couple miles back to the truck, and I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm calling it lunchtime. Didn't find the most gold, didn't find the biggest of no nuggets yet, but still, we found color, both found a picker. It was a good day. Again, we couldn't have asked for a better place to see it. So, we start walking out the trail. Start heading up now, a little bit of the trail, and be on our way. Show you guys, might as well show you a little bit of this as we walk out, why not? A little video filler, if you will, before we put the photos at the end. If all does go as planned, music at the end of the video was provided, written, performed all by my good buddy, good cousin of mine, Mr. John Hopkins, not of the university. Does have his own YouTube page, String Theory. If anyone wants to check that out, if anyone's interested in learning how to play guitar or just wants to listen to some tasty riffs, I suggest checking him out. And thank you, John, for our own tunages. Alright, now as pretty as this is, this trail is kind of narrow. Does have a lot of bedrock sticking out of it. Nice to have up. See, look, about just fell. I have a half a broken foot. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this for now. Thanks guys for tuning in. We appreciate you. Please like, please share, please comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. But most importantly, as always, get that shiny.